Hey, what's going on, everybody? Tonight we're gonna hop in here, pull all the screws, pull all the small stuff so that we can get to the big stuff later on this week and get it all transferred over to the F-150. Pretty excited. I'm gonna hop over here, show you some of the small stuff we're gonna get pulled off and just get after it. So I'm gonna start by pulling off the marker lights and the letters so I can put those on thumper. Get this visor off, and then we'll start working our way back down, pull this trim off, pull the fenders off, and then eventually try and get to those doors, but I'm not sure if the doors are going to happen tonight. Pretty excited. It's going to be a fun project. I'm going to throw a little time lapse in here, so hope you guys enjoy. So I got the first grill piece kind of pulled out here. Just want to show you guys something here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but in each individual one of these there are a 1/4 inch bolt. Super easy to pull. Just a quick tip. So we finally got the grill support off. Came out fairly easy. There were a couple of tough bolts that were just kind of hidden. Nothing really seized up all that much, but yeah. So I'm super excited with the progress I was able to make this evening. I was shooting a time lapse with the GoPro, but unfortunately it died before I was able to get the hood off. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I'm going to stop for the evening. Remember, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. See you next time.